Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts, and this is the fourth video of Streamlit tutorial series. In this video, we will create a basic Streamlit application from scratch. Our goal is to display the text "Hello Streamlit" on web page using Streamlit. So let's start. Here we are using the spider to build the application. Before building the application, you make sure you have Streamlit installed. If it is not installed in your system, you can install it. Just type pip install Streamlit on command prompt. Or you can check out our previous video on how to install Streamlit. Now let's start to build our first Streamlit application. We start by importing the Streamlit library. Streamlit is a Python library that simplifies the process of creating web application. So let's import Streamlit. Now we define a Python function named main to create our Streamlit app. Streamlit app are just Python script, and the main is a common convention for the main entry point. Now inside our main function, we add a title to our app using st.title function. Here I am writing title name, my first Streamlit app. After that, we have to add content to the web page. So for that, we use write function. I want to display on the web page hello Streamlit. Now let's call the main function. Now let's save the script and write .py. Copy this location. We will need this location to set the directory. After that, to run this script, let's move to the Anaconda command prompt. And set the directory where the script is located. My script is located at this location. So now to run the script, just type Streamlit run and script name, which is first Streamlit app.py. After running the command, Streamlit will start the local server and new tab will be open in your web browser with your app. You can see the title my first Streamlit apps, and the content is hello Streamlit is displaying on the web browser. So you can see we have successfully created our very first Streamlit application. It's that easy. In the next video, we will explore more advanced features of Streamlit and created more complex application. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.